This is my histology video. Our body is made up of millions of cells. Cells work together. When cells work together with the same similar function and structure, they form tissues. Tissues is a group of cells working together to form a particular function. We have four types of tissues. We have epithelial, we have connective, we have muscular, and then we have nervous tissue. In our epithelial tissue, on its structure, it has no capillaries. It's located in the outer covering surfaces of the body, the hollow organs, and in major glands. It is three types of epithelial tissue. You have squamous, cuboidal, and columnar. It can be either simple or stratified. It depends on how many layers. Simple, one layer. Stratified, multiple layers. Epithelial tissue function is capable of secretion, absorption, filtration. It receives oxygen and nutrients from the blood supply. Then we have connective tissue. Connective tissue in its structure, it has in the connective structure, it has a sheet that is visible with intercellular tissue material. And with this, it holds the structure of the body together. We have areola, adipose tissue, fibrous tissue, elastic tissue, as well as blood, bones, and cartilage. It's located in the joint capsules and the deep parts of the skin and the pericardium of the heart. It supports organs and cells, transports nutrients and waste, defends pathogens, and stores fat and repairs damaged tissue. In the muscular tissue, there's three types. We have smooth, skeletal, and cardiac. You have it located in the heart, on the skeleton, and in visceral organs. Its structure is for movement. It's special in movement. Movement is produced in different purposes. With your muscular tissue, it's specialized for contraction. So the heart, when muscles contract, they shorten and then they produce the movement. In our nervous tissue, the most abundant of the tissue, it is made of nerves, which are called neurons. There's two divisions of the nervous tissue system, and it's the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. And it's made of the brain, spinal cord, and the nerves. In the central nervous system, you have the brain and the spinal cord. In the peripheral, it is made up of the nerves from the central nervous system. The nervous tissue is responsible for stimulating muscle contraction and generating electrical impulses. It plays an important role in our emotions and memory reasoning. From a clinical standpoint, knowing the function and structure of cells and tissues is important, so clinicians, doctors, nurses know how to treat and help patients so they can identify certain diseases and move quickly to know what to do, how to do, come up with certain vaccines that may help prevent and prescribe those and/or medications that are effective.